How to delete poll on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a poll on Facebook Messenger. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply locate the chat where the poll was created. Now here, before starting anything, here is the thing. You can't delete the poll if you have created it directly by deleting it like you do with other messages. But here, to delete the poll, what you can do is simply go back and just select the whole chat, and from the pop-up menu you can simply tap on delete and confirm your deletion by deleting all chats from this chat. And that's it. That's the only way to delete poll on Facebook Messenger. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.